Check it. What's up, guys? You are back with another video of Data Zero, and in this video we're going to be looking at AMC stock only. I'm going to give you the bullish scenario, the scenario I think is most likely to happen, and then the bearish scenario for tomorrow's trading day. And we're going to look at the technical analysis on a smaller time frame so we can see what's going to happen on Monday. So this is predictions and update for Monday specifically. So let's not waste any more time. Hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. Guys, what is up? You're back with another video with Data Zero, and in this video we're going to be looking at AMC stock only. This is a quick update on what's going up on the smaller time frame, the technical analysis on the smaller time frame. I'm going to be giving you guys a prediction slash update on what I think is going to be happening on Monday. So this is Monday's technical analysis only. This is small time frame, very micro, very small, non-macro, which means big. Micro means small. So let's go ahead and give you guys that update. So guys, we can see that we have a golden cross on the 30-minute time frame. I normally don't do technical analysis this low because it gives you a lot of false signals. The only reason I would use technical analysis on these smaller time frames is for day trading or something like that, and then you can use these types of things to determine smaller moves, but I normally use the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly to determine these larger moves for swing type trades. But anyways, what I'm looking at on the 30-minute time frame is this golden cross that we have on the 30-minute time frame. So we do have a lot of momentum pulling us to the upside. Also, if we go ahead and put the candles in Hakanashi style candles, so let's go ahead and put Hakanashi style candles, which measure candles by volume instead of the price like a normal candle, so it's easy to determine up and down trends. As you guys can see, they're very clear. As you guys can see, downtrend all red, uptrend all green. And as you guys can see, if we go ahead and go to the 4-hour time frame, we are in a complete uptrend, all green candles. If we go to the 2-hour, we have a few red candles, but we are still in an uptrend. As you guys can see, uptrends can have red candles in them, but normally they're all green or red. But as you guys can see, like in this case, they do have a few red candles. But as you guys see on the 4-hour time frame, we have all green candles, and on the 2-hour time frame, we just have these two red candles telling me that we are in an uptrend and there's a lot of momentum. Now, if we go ahead and put on the alligator, which is a momentum indicator and very good at determining where a move is going, you guys can see there is a ton of width in between these bands. Now, what does that mean? That means the move has a lot of momentum. So if we go ahead and zoom out so I can give you guys an example, you guys can see that when the move has a lot of momentum to them, the bands have a lot of width in between them. And when the blue band is on top, that's a bearish band. That means it moves to the downside. When the green band's on top, that means it's a bullish move. That means it's going to be to the upside. And you can see there's a lot of width in between the bands until the move gets to an end, and then the bands get close together. As you guys can see, that it works for every scenario. A lot of width in between the bands get close together, the move starts to end, and you can determine the top of a move. Now, if you add that to what's called a momentum indicator, you can almost get the top of every single move because it gives you the momentum to it. So as you guys can see, momentum starts to die down, bands get tight, you can tell that that move's coming to an end. So taking that terminology and that same logic and putting it here on the smaller time frames, let's go ahead and go down to the 1-hour time frame. You guys can see there's a lot of momentum with this move, and we still have a lot of room to go to the upside. And you guys can see that the momentum has gone to the upside, and we do have positive momentum going to the upside. Now you can see that it's come down just a little bit, and that's why we have been dying out. But you guys can see, determining from the alligator, we still have this bullish band on top, and that means the move is going to continue. Now we are in this bull flag slash falling wedge type formation. This could be a bull flag, so it could be a little bit more horizontal. So these yellow lines could maybe be up like this, and that could be more of a bull flag. Let's go ahead and make them in different colors so you guys can see them. We'll make them, I kind of used all my colors up. We'll make them orange. Let's go ahead and make that one orange so you guys can see them. And this would be a bull flag, which is a bullish consolidation, or we are in that that bull flag or falling wedge, which I just showed you, which is a bullish continuation move. So that means you're moving to the upside, you're consolidating, and you're probably going to keep moving to the upside if a certain price level breaks. So we are in that bull flag type formation. I'll go ahead and put on regular candles so you guys can see that. And we are going to probably move to the upside if we can break above this $495 range. Now we have a ton of call option gamma in that range that could push us to the upside, and there's a ton of reasons to do that. But let's go ahead and focus on the technical analysis, and I'm going to go ahead and turn off the alligator for this part. So as you guys can see, I have 3 predictions made right here. So I have a bullish prediction, which is green, a bearish prediction, which is red, and then the prediction I think is most likely for the day, most likely what's going to happen tomorrow. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just what I am looking at. So again, if we break out of that bull flag, I expect a nice pop to the upside, and then let's go ahead and move up to this $5 region, maybe come back down, and this is the most bullish scenario. If we break out of that bull flag in the early pre-market, move up. As you guys can see, the pre-market's marked with these gray areas, and then regular trading hours in these dark areas. But we move up in pre-market, then hit our head on $5 resistance, come back down to $4.90 support, and then break up to the upside all throughout the day, heading up towards that $5.50 region, and then heading up in the after hours. That's my most bullish scenario for tomorrow, and it is a possibility that this could happen if we get the right bullish momentum. Now, what I think is most likely going to happen is this scenario right here in the middle. We're going to push up in pre-market. You will see a little bit move to the upside, probably wake up positive in the pre-market. Push up towards that $5.95 region, hit our head on that support, move back down early in the morning, like with the first 15 minutes, 30 minutes of the market. You know how it's really volatile. Get a slight drop down all the way down to 460, retest 460, and then start moving up the rest of the day and throughout pre-market or after hours by the end of the day towards that $5 region, and then hopefully getting up into the $5 region or $5.50 region by the next day. So that is what I'm looking at as the most likely scenario here marked in yellow. Now my bearish scenario here marked in red is if we have a down day in the market, which I don't think we're going to happen. If we get negative sentiment, this is preparing you for what could happen if we see that. Now my most likely scenario is the one in yellow, and again, I think these bullish scenario is very, very possible, but I think the most likely scenario is in yellow, and this is the bearish scenario preparing you if a bearish scenario did happen. So that would be if we broke out of this bull flag consolidation, broke down in pre-market, got a pull down, maybe the market sees some red, and then we push back up early in the morning, and then we get a pull down throughout the rest of the day, moving past that 460 support and resistance, breaking past that, and then moving down in the after hours after that. So that is my bearish scenario. I do not think that is what's going to occur, but I put that on there because as a good trader, you always want to have a bullish and bearish scenario. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. There's a lot of technical analysis saying that we are going to be moving to the upside. If you guys look at the super trend, if you guys look at the MACD, if you guys look at everything that I'm looking at, the alligator, the super trend, everything I just showed you, we are looking very, very bullish. Let's go ahead and put on the super trend to show you guys that as well. So the super trend gives you buy and sell signals based off of a few factors, and as you guys can see on the 30-minute time frame with the smaller time frame, what we're looking at for these bullish scenarios, telling you that the bullish scenario or the scenario that I picked is most likely going to happen is going to play out. We have a bullish scenario here on the time frame. So go ahead and check out my other videos for the weekly prediction. I do think we are going to close the week at a high of $8 or an absolute low of $5 this week. I think we're going to print a green weekly candle. I know that's a big spread, but I do think we're going to have a green weekly candle print. I told you guys all of this in my weekly update, and I think we could have a nice run coming for AMC all the way up to $8 because cost to borrow is so high, and a few other factors with the technical analysis, which I explained in that video. But guys, this is what I'm looking at for AMC. Hopefully you found this video informative. Again, I gave you a bullish, bearish, and my most likely scenario based off the technical analysis, what I think is going on, and this is just
for tomorrow, Monday's trading day. So hopefully you found this video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. Remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.